What's up, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Smoking Jazz Barbecue, and today we're going to show you how to clean this bad boy behind me, the Pit Boss Austin XL, and we're going to show you how to do this properly. And this is just going to be my take on it. You can do it any way you like, but this is how I clean my Pit Boss Austin XL. So yeah, stay tuned. I'm going to show you how to do this. Alright guys, first thing first, as you can see, my pit and grates are a little dirty from my previous cook. As you can see, we got plenty of debris left that I'm about to scrape off, and as you can see in the background, the foil is dirty, so it's time to remove the foil and replace it. So first thing first, guys, I'm going to remove any debris that's on here. And guys, what you can actually do, just do a little light work on these grates right now, because it's not a whole lot of debris. But however, if you want to do a deep cleaning, to actually make sure that all the germs and stuff like that, any debris that might have been from the last cook burned off, you want to crank the Pit Boss on high and then burn it off and scrape it real good, both sides. Don't forget to do the other side, guys. It's very important. And if you notice, guys, I'm scraping inside here, so all the debris that I'm getting off this grate right here or any other grates is going to fall into the Pit Boss, and I'm going to show you how to clean that next. Alright guys, now that we got the grates removed and cleaned, we're going to take off the aluminum foil that's on here. Alright guys, so this is what your dirty aluminum foil looks like after it's done. So we can discard this. And with a new gross brush, we're going to scrape off any excess debris that's on here. So guys, let me point this out to you, and I've been getting a lot of questions about this. As you can see right here, this is starting to rust, and this is for about almost a year worth of use on this Pit Boss Austin XL. This rust is not going to affect your cook or your taste buds or the flavor of the foods that you're going to cook whatsoever. So, you know, this is going to get nice and hot once the firebox is going to heat this up. As you can see, this is the way it is. And I mean, could I have used a high grade metal? Absolutely. But this is the product that we are left with, and these are the cards that we're dealt with from Pit Boss. But I have no complaints whatsoever with this product. Alright guys, as you can see, we got plenty of debris right here. And as you can see, mostly are from the dust particles from the wood pellets that have been burned off. And as you can see, this is the firebox right here, and where the fire shoots up and the wood pellets get burned and then turn into smoke and dust. And the remaining of the dust particles becomes this right here. Now the black stuff that you see like right here and right here, that's the debris that we scraped off from the heat shield. So the way we're going to clean this up is really easy, guys. Damn. A shop vac. Alright guys, so for the sake of the loud noise from the shop vac, I'm gonna mute the volume on that particular part on this video, so that way you guys can just see what I'm vacuuming them up. And basically it's very simple, guys. We're gonna make sure we suck up every inch of this entire interior part of the grill, and we're gonna make sure that we get every corner and nooks and crannies that's in there to get off any excess debris that might be inside. Alright guys, after removing this part right here, let's take a deeper look inside the cooking chamber. As you can see, there's still plenty of debris left remaining in the firebox and all around it. And we're going to clean some of that off as well, just to make sure we don't have any problem whatsoever relighting this firebox, because we don't want to have any fire hazardous situations that might occur. So this is going to be the simplest way to clean it, again using the shop vac. Alright guys, as you can see, we got a nice pretty clean firing chamber, and for those who are wondering what is that shiny stuff, that is the seasoning on the grill. So I'm not going to worry about it too much because I'm not trying to clean that off. And as you can see, this part started to rust as well, but again, this is not going to affect your cook or your flavors of the food that you're trying to barbecue whatsoever. Now normally the manual requires for you to put a little bit more pellets in here to help it start up right away, but I have not done that whatsoever, and so far so good as far as, you know, reigniting my firebox. Alright guys, so what we're going to do next is reassemble everything that we took off from the cooking chamber. And basically what we're going to do is use aluminum foil to cover that heat deflector shield. It's going to make my job as far as cleaning it a lot easier, as you saw in the previous clips. But for you guys who have brand new pit bosses, I wouldn't recommend to do that. If you don't want to, do this at your own risk. I'm not liable for anything that might happen to your pit boss. But using aluminum foil, it's not going to affect the cook, it's not going to affect the heat, it's not going to affect the temperatures, it's not going to affect the flavor of your food. It just makes cleanup a lot easier. That's the whole purpose of it. Alright guys, as you can see, I put the aluminum foil on top of the heat shield, as you can see right now. And what I did, I made some creases so all the grease and the oils can run off into this particular hole right here, because it's going to be latched on here. And as you can see by that hole right there, guys, that's where our grease trap is going to be. And this is what our grease trap looks like. Alright guys, just want to give you a quick tip on this heat shield right here. Once you place it back into the grooves, there's two holes right here, and you can actually lock it in so that way this heat shield stays sturdy. And just want to make sure that the opposite end, which is this side, the right side, are in the grooves of the grease traps, as you can see right here. Alright guys, as you can see, we reassembled the entire components of the interior cooking part of the chamber along with our grates. And guys, as you can see right there, I placed my aluminum foil back into the heat deflector shield just to make my cleanup job a lot easier. So guys, you don't have to do that, as I stated earlier. And by all means, do not follow my instructions if you feel as though that's going to void your warranty, and if it's going to affect your cooking process or the food or the way the temps are. By all means, do not use the aluminum foil. But I'm telling you from experience, it has not affected me whatsoever. So guys, you can do a deeper clean if you want, and I recommend this every 6 months to a year just to clean the interior parts. And you can use warm water and dish detergent, and what I would recommend as far as detergent would be Dawn. And guys, as far as the grease bucket goes, this is removable, and you can buy these at Home Depot or at Lowe's or at Walmart. And these are wholly available for less than $5 to $10, and you can replace it. You don't have to clean it. You can just dump the grease in here into a container and dispose of it properly and place a new one on it, and you're good to go. Alright guys, as you can see, I got about a half a box full left of wood pellets left in the hopper. And the way to clean this is, or should we say replace it, is very simple. And you're going to go to the back, take this level off, which is by a screw, and open this chute right here, and all those pellets that in here, just make sure you have a bucket to catch the wood pellets that are coming out. It's going to dump into that bucket, and then what you're going to do, close that back up and replace your wood pellets. Now there's no cleaning of the hopper. I wouldn't recommend using anything to clean up the hopper, because this is where your wood pellets and your fire source is going to come from. So leave it alone, guys. Alright guys, so there you have it. That is my version, my way of how to clean the pit boss or Sun Excel properly. Guys, you don't have to do it the way I did it. You don't have to follow my instructions. You can do it any way you like. Whatever you deem feasible to clean your pit boss or Sun Excel. But let's do a quick recap of what we did today. So we scraped the grates off the pit boss off using a grill brush, just like so. And then we basically removed the grate, and then we removed the aluminum foil that was covering the heat deflector shield. We removed that, and we used a shop vac to remove any debris that was inside the cooking chamber, the interior part of the cooking chamber, and we cleaned it off nice and thoroughly. Make sure you have some gloves on, because if not, your hands are going to get greasy and dirty. And guys, if you want to do a deep clean to clean off the walls or the lid or the dome of the grill, because we might have some stuff that might be falling off or look like it's chipped off, use this. This thing right here is going to help you clean that off properly. And it's very simple. I got this for like 50 cents at Home Depot. So then we reassemble the parts together, and I just use some aluminum foil right here, heavy duty, to cover the heat deflector shield back over again. If you don't want to use aluminum foil to make your job a lot easier as far as cleanup goes, don't use it. But for me, I'm going to continue using it. So guys, like I said, this is just a quick video how to show you to clean your pit balls Austin Excel properly. And guys, if you like barbecuing and grilling, this is your channel right here. So make sure you share this video with all your family and friends. And guys, make sure you hit the like button as well. Like I said, simple cleanup job to maintain your pit balls Austin Excel to last you a long time. So guys, till next week, this is Smoking Jazz Barbecue.